Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Dear Eva Inspiring Solutions. Today, another letter sender, tinanong po niya about dream interpretation. So, kung meron po kayong gustong malaman sa dream niyo, lalo na kung pabalik-balik, paulit-ulit na lang at tapos nakakabahala na parang balisa kayo, to put your mind at ease, ipa-interpret niyo po, then I will do the research for you. Okay, ito na po ang sabi dito. Dream meaning, generally, yes, in general talaga, kapag nanaginip ka ng kuko, nails are often associated with strength, yes, protection and defense. Ang alam ko, I heard a lot na pag nanaginip ka ng kuko, spiritual protection. Yes, spiritual protection ang meaning niya. Tapos, kung depende po kasi sa dream yan eh. Kayo pong nakakaalam sa detalye ng dream nyo. So ito, if long nails daw ang nasa panaginip mo, it means a desire to hold on to something that seems important, parang importante, to a person, but which may be harmful or dangerous. So ingat-ingat po. On the other hand, cutting nails, pag nagputol ka ng kuko, it can symbolize the desire to get rid of something that interferes or bothers a person to achieve well-organized in order kind of life. So toenails and fingernails specifically could be interpreted. Oh yeah. So ang meaning, it could be, it is representing a person's ability to grasp or to hold on to something. They could also represent a person's sense of self-care, personal hygiene. So those are basic, no? So yun po ang dapat natin na tandaan na minsan ang meaning, ang dream, may meaning talaga yun, lalo na kung paulit-ulit. Thank you so much. See you like